During a survey of fire-damaged neighborhoods and business districts in Altadena, California, LA County Public Works Director Mark Pestrella highlighted the Herculean effort to come to mitigate hazards, clean up debris and rebuild entire neighborhoods lost in the Eaton and Paradise fires. Even as crews have begun rebuilding utility backbones in the impacted communities, new fires have formed in the county and in San Diego. As of January 23 afternoon, the Hughes Fire north of Santa Clarita rapidly expanded to 5,000 acres, moving towards Interstate 5 and threatening communities around Castaic Lake. Meanwhile, forecasts for up to 1 inch of rain in the mountains above Los Angeles highlights the critical need to clean up toxic debris as much as possible and clear flood channels. During and after any fire event, LA County Flood Control District, which is housed within my department, begins the process of assessing the watershed, Pestrella says. That assessment involves looking at the burn area, examining the soils that have been impacted and calculating the amount of debris we expect to enter into the system. We're also assessing the system itself, channels, debris basins, dams and underground storm drains, to make sure it is free from debris, but also that it is not physically damaged. Repair work has already begun to mitigate flood risk, he adds. Cleanup, led by the federal government in partnership with LA County Public Works and other local agencies, involves removal of hazardous waste, including lead and asbestos. A second phase will include debris removal with property owners' permission. Pestrella says he is working with other major regional agencies to form a recovery organization that will expedite planning, design, and reconstruction. I've set the objective for my department and for the county at large to recover, plus with resilience, he says. Using an equity lens, we're going to find those of us that are most burdened by what has happened and bring back this community stronger and better.